Line is lane. I don't like it. But I will do 100 push-ups quickly and then we stop the live streaming today. 100 push-ups quickly and then we stop the live streaming today. Keep watching. Say keep going. Give me motivation for the 100 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13 push-ups. Let's go, bro. Can do it. I have 13 push-ups. 14 push-ups. I need 20 for 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16. 16 push-ups. 16 push-ups. We can do it. 16 push-ups. I need 100 right now. 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 60, we have 16. Ready to start. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. 18. 20 more push-ups for the 100. The end is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19. I need 10 more push-ups. 10 more push-ups. Come on, Ryan is running faster. Down. Oh my God. It's no good. It's no good. I need 10 more push-ups. 10 more push-ups. 10 more push-ups for the 100. Look up here. This is my chest after 19 push-ups. I need 10 more push-ups for the 100. Everyone, tap the screen. 1, 2, 3. Mike Tyson. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. You see 100? I have 100 push-ups right now. 100 right now.